2025 Nissan Rogue. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.